Starting a Punanga Reo is a foundation for ensuring the sustainability and continuation of our Reo Māori kuki airangi. We started Te Punanga Reo 2 weeks ago. We started it with 3 babies and 1 teacher. Historically, Rarotonga has never really had an issue with the language, and so revitalising the language has more so been about there's been a lot of migration and a lot of immigration. So we have a lot of returning Cook Islanders and Cook Islanders who predominantly speak English as the first language. So Te Punanga Reo is about the revitalisation and the sustainability of our reo, and to ensure that future generations have access to our reo from a young age. Not only will our babies be in a full immersion Māori environment and speaking environment, it will also encourage their parents to speak more Māori at home. Our 3 babies, they love this space. There's still a lot of work that we're doing on this space. We are quite dependent on our local elements. We have the beach a couple of metres down the road there, so they go down there and they play with the sand and the crabs, and then they also have a beautiful field outside. Now that they have settled in, we are looking at expanding and getting more teachers in, as we have a wait list so far of 12 children. My baby is 18 months old, and I would love for his first language to be Cook Islands Māori. What we want to do is try and normalise it more and make it so that it's a lot more fun to speak our own language. We hope that this will inspire more people at home to speak more Māori, and also inspire our children who are growing up to speak Māori before they speak English.